first single is called Party Like a Russian. We're going to...
I actually had some fans the other day send this little boy on the roof, on our roof.
My mum's very cool. Where are we? My mum's very cool. Hi, Mum. She says...
She likes it.
She just says, whatever you want to do, son.
Because she loves you the way you are.
She loves me for what I am, not what I look like.
My mum likes mine too. My mum thinks mine's dead good. And she can't find any bad points about me either. She thinks I'm alright.
When Howard got home with his new image, I was speaking to his mum, and his mum shouted, "There's a gypsy at the door." He's got his eye pierced and he's...
Or one of us might make a move, or, you know, something like that. But that's, I think people, especially our fans, you know, they join in with the jokes and stuff.
Even though you're the most fanciful.
The Backstreet Boys announced a Vegas residency this week.
And there it was. We weren't in the studio together, but I'm looking forward to being in the studio at some point with it.
Ils ont pas été en studio ensemble, mais là, en tout cas...
Isn't she regularly? The TV show?
Yes.